Facebook marketplaces are going B2C. Last week in a video, I talked about how Facebook shops are allowing businesses to set up a digital storefront in this time of need. The marketplace has been around for a number of years and has created a lot of interesting relationships and commerce that has happened locally in the marketplace sphere. And they are doing changes for businesses to start selling their products straight to people on Facebook. This is a very unique way for businesses to not only get more engaged with their community locally, but also open up a whole new revenue stream. In order to be qualified for this, you're going to have to list with Facebook, and there is some approval that will be required. The biggest thing here, as in all shopping commerce, is your product feed. If you have the same product feed using for your Instagram ads, for instance, this is going to pipe into the marketplace as well. Having a solid feed is important here because this is where you can put all of your products on different marketplaces. The commissions on the Facebook marketplace are very appealing. They're about 5%, and they're quite low when you compare it to Amazon and how high they charge their fees, and they've just raised their fees from 15 to 17%. This is going to be a new feature that's coming out, and some approval is required. It is going to add a lot of value to businesses that are already in the community and they had a physical retail footprint. Now they're going to have a physical digital retail footprint. So this is good news. So take advantage of this because the Facebook algorithm not only is going to include your products in their feed on the marketplace, they're also going to use the machine learning and the Facebook algorithm to help personalize these recommendations to potential customers that might be interested in your product or services. This is going to be a great add-on to the marketplace, and we're going to look out for this new type of commerce and seeing how this is going to help generate sales for our clients. If you're already having success on the marketplace or you're considering doing it, tell me what you think about it overall. I'd like to hear in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Now, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Every day I'm publishing videos on growth hacking, digital marketing, how to be a successful entrepreneur. I really want to enable you to become a decision maker in your own business in the future of work. So if you want to come along with me on this journey, hit subscribe, hit notifications, and I'll talk to you real soon.